the traditional approach. Write down point number 1. Traditional approach. Correct. Now, what traditional approach says? Accounts. Accounts are of two types. Now you understood what is account. Account means what? T-shape format in which left hand side is debit and right hand side is credit. Correct? Account you understood? Bolo yes or no? So accounts are of two types. One is, bolo, what are the two types? So one doubt has came that what is money measurement concept? Already we discussed money measurement concept. Not measure, it is measurement concept. Money measurement. So I said all the transaction which will be recorded, which can be expressed in terms of money value. Means जिसका कुछ value हो. For example, you purchase goods of rupees 1 lakh. So it can be measured in terms of money. It can be measured in terms of money. Therefore, it will be recorded. Therefore, it will be recorded. Correct? Means any transaction which cannot be recorded in money value are not recorded. So any emotional effect means, for example, any death of employee, any death of manager, any other event which cannot be expressed in terms of money value will not be recorded. Will not be recorded. Understood? It means we need to understand whether it can be expressed in terms of money. Correct? Means there are some transactions which cannot be expressed in terms of money, but then also it may affect the financial position of business. So even though first condition of transaction is satisfied, but it cannot be expressed in terms of money, therefore it will not be recorded. So this is known as money measurement concept. Understood, Samkit? Bolo. Have you understood this? So we have started traditional approach. Traditional approach says accounts are of two types. What are two types of accounts? Batao. Respond fast. What are two types of account? One is personal account. Personal account. One is known as impersonal account. Very good. Correct? Batao. What is personal account? Personal account means what? Personal account means what? Personal account means which are the account which are related which are related to any person to any person which are related to any person. Correct? Understood? So of course impersonal account means what? Which are not related to person. Means can I say impersonal accounts are other than personal account, other than personal account. Correct? Understood? तो अकाउंट को हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं? Like this. Understood? So now we'll not write down account full, we write down A/C. Correct? Understood? So which are related to any person. Personal account, you understood? Now, person can be of three types for accounting. First is known as what? Batao. Natural. Natural persons. Correct? So natural person means what? Natural person means what? Human being. Correct? Understood? So natural person means what? Human being. Means for example, examples क्या होगा? Ram account. Correct? Understood? Ram account. Syam account. Ghanshyam account. Correct? So these are related to natural means what? Which are related to any human being. Correct? So I can write down human being. Simple. So this is what natural person's account. Second is what batao? Second is artificial persons. Artificial person. Correct? So artificial person means what? Batao. Artificial person means what? Any account related to any organization. Organization. तो उसे बोलते हैं आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई से राम स्टार्टेड राम एंड कंपनी, तो राम एंड कंपनी इज वन organization, business organization. Correct? So that become artificial person. उसको बोलते हैं artificial person. Correct? Understood? तो can you give me some examples of artificial person? तो artificial person में आएगा any company, any company. For example, Reliance Industry Limited. Reliance Industry Limited, that is an artificial person. Correct? Any partnership firm, any partnership firm. Correct? Any partnership firm. For example, Top Yug Educations. Top Yug Education is a partnership firm. Correct? Understood? Any school, you can write down the name of your school. Correct? Understood? Any political party, correct? For example, BJP. Correct? Understood this point? Correct. Then any bank, State Bank of India, SBI, State Bank of India. Any club, you can write down the name of any club. So these are artificial person. So artificial person relate to what? Any organization. Any organization. Correct? Understood? So natural person you understood, artificial person you understood. Then third is what? Third is representative person. Representative persons. Now, representative personal account. Correct? So one is natural personal account, artificial personal account, and third is representative personal account. Batao, who will say what is the meaning of representative personal account? Batao, what is the meaning of representative personal account? Because I have seen that many of you have also written representative personal account. So what is the meaning of representative personal account? Can you respond fast? Batao. So representative personal account means what? Which represents some organization. Correct? only organization which represent certain person which represent the community, example debtor. चलो ठीक है, whatever you have said सही है, तो लिखो any account which which represent either single or group of natural or artificial persons, artificial persons are representative personal account. Correct? Understood? So it can be either single or group of natural or artificial person. For example, can you give me some example? If I say bank account, so can I say bank account represent many banks? So it become an representative personal account. A representative personal account. So bank, if I say State Bank of India, it is an artificial person. But if I say bank account, it become a representative personal account because it represent many banks. Correct? Are you getting? Similarly, if I say customer account, customer account. Now, there can be many customer. For example, I said Syam account, Ghanshyam account. So when I am saying Syam account, Ghanshyam account, so this may be our customer. This may be our customer. Correct now. So if I am opening individual account, it become natural person. But if I say customer account, so it is group of what? Customer, group of natural person. It become a representative personal account. Correct? Understood? Correct. It is also known as debtor account. इसे हम debtor भी बोलते हैं. Correct? Debtor account. Similarly, when I say supplier account, correct? तो supplier from whom we purchase goods, correct? उसको बोलते हैं supplier. So when I say individual, it is what? Natural person account. But if you open one account, supplier account, which represent all suppliers, that become what? Representative personal account. Representative personal account, correct? तो इसको और क्या बोलते हैं? Creditor account, correct? Similarly, if I say capital account, correct? Now when I say Ram account, so Ram is what? A individual, so Ram become natural person account. But when I say capital account, the capital account represent a single natural person, that is Ram. So capital account become what? Representative personal account. Representative personal account. Have you understood this one? Have you? There are many other examples also, but I will not give you right now. Correct? अभी वो examples नहीं दूंगा, but I think you have understood all these three. Any doubt about this? Natural person, artificial person, representative person? No, no doubt. Correct. Now, coming to what? Impersonal account. So, impersonal account are of two types. One is known as real account. One is known as real account. So, बताओ, what is real account? Anyone who can say what is the real account? Respond fast. What is real account? Everyone, please maintain a discipline. Don't write unnecessary thing in this chat box. This is my request. Correct? Yes. Please don't write any unnecessary point in this chat box. Okay? Correct. Okay? Next time I don't want this type of things. Representative once more. Correct? Okay. Chalo, theek hai. Now, once again, I'm coming to representative personal account. I think you have understood natural and artificial person. So any account which has been opened to represent either one person or group of person. One person or group of person, that is known as representative personal account. That is known as representative personal account. Means I started my accounting is that Ram opened Ram and Company. Ram opened Ram and Company. So Ram is what? Owner. If I open Ram account, it is natural personal account. Correct? If I open Ram and Company account, Ram and Company account लिखते हैं तो वो क्या हो गया? Business means artificial person account. Artificial person account. Correct? But if I want to open, if I do not want to open RAM account and I will want to write down capital account, so capital account will represent the owner. Capital account will represent the owner. So capital account become representative personal account. Similarly, if I open State Bank of India account, Punjab National Bank account, Canara Bank account, IDBI Bank account, ICICI Bank account, these all are artificial personal account. But instead of opening all these so many account, अब इतने सारे बैंक है, अभी क्या होगा? नंबर ऑफ अकाउंट इज इंक्रीजिंग. तो क्या होता है? We can open one single account which represent all the banks, तो उसको बोलते हैं बैंक अकाउंट. तो when I am saying bank account represent all the bank in which we are dealing. Understood this point? बोलो. Representative personal account, have you understood? Now, so who has asked representative personal? Geeta, have you understood representative personal account? Bolo. Understood? Chalo. Now, coming to the real account. Real account means what? A real account. So I got many answers. Let us read what are they saying. Real account related to tangible asset or intangible. Real account purchase and sale. Correct? All assets and goods are covered. Only cash. Only asset. Related to asset and liability. Asset account. Real account means everything that we can see comes under which we can see. जो भी आप देखते हो वो रियल हो गया. अरे ऐसा कैसे होता है? आप तो बहुत चीज देखते हो तो सारा रियल हो गया. करेक्ट. Now accounts related to properties and assets which are owned by the business concerned as real account, which are owned. अरे बाप रे, dangerous. चलो. Now real account means what? देखो, if you are saying asset, just try to understand. If you are saying asset, it the real account are not all asset. Real account are not all asset. Correct? Understood? This is wrong definition. If you are saying assets and liabilities, so I will give one information. Liabilities are never real account. Liabilities are never real account. So what is real account? Just write down. It means it means all asset all asset, correct? Understood? Of business, all asset of business, correct? Those who have said asset, correct? All assets of business, all assets of business, correct? Excluding 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 what? Excluding any receivable, any receivable, any receivable, correct? Receivable are personal account, are personal account, are personal account, correct? Means all asset. Real account is all asset, but all assets are not real. Means any asset which are personal account, Any asset which are personal account are not real. Any asset which are personal account are not real. For example, a simple example I am saying, just try to understand what I am saying. Bank. I am saying what? Everyone, just try to understand. Bank. But the bank is an asset or it is not an asset? Everyone. Bank account is an asset or it is not an asset? Everyone respond. Bank account is an asset or it is not an asset? Respond. Bank account is an asset or not an asset? Yes, it is an asset. Correct. But bank is what? A personal account. Check करेंगे. We have written any bank. Correct. यहाँ लिखा bank account. तो bank account is an asset. But bank account means whatever receivable from bank. Correct now. What we are receiving from bank. Are you able to understand? Correct. So bank is a personal account. Therefore, even though it is an asset, it cannot be a real account. It cannot be a real account. Understood? Correct. So every assets are not a real account. Every assets are not real account. In simple word, any asset which are personal account cannot be real. For example, debtor. Can I say debtor also represent receivable from some person? अभी धीरे धीरे बात करेंगे. तो debtor account, you know, debtor account is an asset, but debtor account is a representative personal account. Representative personal account. Therefore, it cannot be a real. Correct? So all asset of business excluding any receivable. Correct? Understood? Now, these assets, these asset can be either tangible assets, or it can be intangible assets. Means tangible assets and intangible asset. So tangible assets are also real, intangible assets are also real. Correct now? Tangible assets are also real, intangible assets are also real. Correct? Are you getting? So tangible asset means what? If I take some example, building, building, correct? Plant, plant, furniture, furniture, land, etc. If I am saying intangible asset, do you know what is intangible asset? Do you know what is intangible asset? बताओ, what is intangible asset? कहीं आपने पढ़ा है तो बता दो, नहीं पढ़ा तो मैं बता दूंगा. What are intangible asset? बोलो. You have given example. Of course, goodwill is an example. Example there. You are giving me example. I have asked what are intangible assets. Someone has written which cannot be seen. चलो एनी एसिड विच कैन नॉट बी सीन बट एसिड करेक्ट ना अग्री एसिड चलो मैं यही लेता हूं एनी एसिड विच डू नॉट हैव एनी फिजिकल सब्सटेंस विच कैन नॉट बी सीन तो पहले आया रियल अकाउंट विच कैन बी सीन वो डेफिनेशन रॉन्ग है द डेफिनेशन इज रॉन्ग समवन सेज कि रियल अकाउंट मींस एनी एसिड विच कैन बी सीन तो कैन आई से intangible assets are also real account intangible assets are also real account correct are you getting what I'm saying so goodwill example is what patent copyright 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 correct trademark trademark understood so tangible asset means what which have physical substance which has which has physical substance physical substance correct and intangible assets are what बताओ which has which do not have do not have physical substance. Physical substance. Correct? Understood this point? I mean, detailed discussion will be done. I'm just giving you very what brief definition. Uh, Very small definition I am giving. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. Everyone is saying correct only, which do not have any physical substance. Substance means existence. आप बोल सकते हो. Correct? Substance. Correct? Means when I am saying कि this what laptop, ये laptop देख रहे हो आप? Laptop का देखो physical substance है. तो this is what my tangible asset. My tangible asset. Correct? Understood? Yes. So you understood real account? Real account में no doubt. तो any asset of business excluding any receivable, correct? Receivable we also call debt. Debt means this what ki any amount which we are getting from any other person, correct? Usko bolte हैं receivable, correct? Understood? So receivable are always personal account because it is received from some person can be natural person, artificial person, etc. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. This also you have understood. The next account is what? Point number 2, nominal account. But what a nominal account? Nominal account बताओ. What are nominal account? What are nominal account बताओ. Everyone respond. I am asking from you only so that we have a discussion. आप ना थोड़ा बोर ना हो. So I am just asking from you so that you are involved in the class. Correct? Understood? बताओ what are nominal account? Everyone respond. So very good answer. Nominal account means which is related to expense, loss, gain, revenue, etc. Correct? Expense and gain, debit and credit account. डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट अकाउंट क्या होता है? अरे तनीसा, व्हाट इज डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट अकाउंट? ये क्या लिखा है आपने? करेक्ट. इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर, गेन, इनकम एंड लॉसेस. नॉमिनल अकाउंट रिकॉर्ड इनकम, गेन एंड एक्सपेंस. चलो ओके, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी बात. तो can I say it represent nominal account means all income and gains, correct? And all expense and losses are which account? Nominal account. Nominal account, correct? Understood? So these are what? Nominal account. Understood this point? Any doubt? Correct? I think you have understood the account. Have you understood account? Account समझ में आया? बोलो. Natasha, whatever you are saying, it is an account which is for one fiscal year. Correct, but चलो ठीक है. Just write down all income means whatever I am saying that only you write down. ठीक है? Okay. Very good. Salary account, sales account, correct. चलो एग्जाम्पल भी लिखना, यहाँ लिख लो. एक्सपेंस में लिख लो सैलरी अकाउंट, रेंट अकाउंट, करेक्ट. यहाँ लिखो सेल्स अकाउंट, एटसेट्रा. चलो now, so we have done what? Account you have understood. So can I say in this way? Everyone just try to understand. Just try to understand कि the objective, everyone, the objective of the accounting, can I say it is to prepare what? Balance sheet and statement of PL. Statement of PL. When I say SOPL, SOPL का मतलब क्या हुआ? Statement of PL. Correct? Understood? And when I write BS, BS means balance sheet. Can I say this is the objective of preparing accounts? Correct? Abhi right now we'll not discuss about cash flow statement and notes to account because that is not in our syllabus. So means whenever I say financial statement from CA foundation point of view, we'll only discuss about what balance sheet and statement of PL. Balance sheet and statement of PL. Chalega. Now in statement of PL, we write down income. यहाँ लिखते हैं income and expense. Correct. And in balance sheet में we write down here assets and liabilities. Correct. This everyone know. This everyone know. Correct. Understood. So when I say income, income include gains. Means gain अलग से बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. When I say income, income include gains. And when I say expense, expense include what? Loss. Expense include loss. Correct ना? तो income जब बोलते हो तो income include gain. Also many of you are using the word revenue. So income will include revenue also. So there is no need to say again revenue. So income include revenue and gains. Revenue and gains. So the wider term is what? Income. Income is the wider term. Expense is the wider term. Correct. So income and expense. Correct. So can I say one note? Everyone, everyone. Note number one. Can I say income and expense? Income and expense are always nominal account, nominal account, and nominal account which are recorded, which are recorded in statement of profit and loss, statement of profit and loss. We call it प्यार से SOPL. SOPL. Whether this statement is correct, बताओ. समझे ये statement? तो income and expense are always nominal account which are recorded in what? Statement of PL. Statement of PL. Correct? Understood? Understood this point? Correct? कुछ भी लिखते हो, it includes indirect income, PL, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस. अभी मैं पढ़ा ही नहीं रहा हूं आपको ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट कहां पहुंच गए बताओ. क्या विल आई स्टार्ट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम फाइनल अकाउंट? आप क्या चाहते हो मैं डायरेक्टली फाइनल अकाउंट में पहुंच जाऊं? मैं आपसे कुछ और पूछ रहा हूं, आप कुछ और जवाब देते हो. प्लीज हैव पेशेंस, हैव पेशेंस. करेक्ट ना? आई नो यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग, बट whatever I am teaching, that only you need to understand right now. Correct now? Understood? Otherwise if I will assume that you know everything, then I am not supposed to teach whatever I am teaching right now. So can I start with the final account directly? बोलो. Can I start directly from final account? इसको छोड़ दूं, जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं उसको छोड़ दूं? बोलो. So please, what I'm asking, only that much you say. I'm asking expense. So you are saying trading account, direct expense. When I am saying income, you are going to what? Indirect income. अभी उसमें आए नहीं है बच्चों. Please have patience. I know you know everything. I know you know everything, but believe me, you don't know anything. Correct? Even though you know, but you don't know many things. Correct now? So to become expert, you need to have patience. You need to have patience. Correct? Understood? Correct. Patience rakho. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. So can I say income and expense are always nominal account? Are always nominal account which are recorded in statement of PL. In statement of PL. Now point number two. Point number two. When I say liability, liability are always what? What 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 are always what? तो in liability we write down capital and liability करेक्ट, ऐसे लिखते हो। और यहां लिखते हो ऑल एसेट्स, यहां लिखते हो ऑल एसेट्स। तो बताओ कैपिटल is which account? Capital is what? Which account? Real account, nominal account or personal account? बताओ। Capital account is which account? Real account, nominal account or personal account? Everyone respond. तो कहने से capital is, बोलो, capital is what? Personal account. Very good. तो कहने से capital is personal account, and we can say representative personal account, representative personal account, correct? बताओ, it represent what? Represent honor, honor, correct? And recorded, and recorded in liability side of balance sheet, liability side of balance sheet, correct? Understood this point? Correct. So capital is a personal account because it represent Ram in my example. So Ram is a natural person. So capital account become representative personal account. Representative personal account. Correct. Understood. Supriya, have you understood why it is a personal account? Bolo. Why it is a personal account? Have you understood? बताओ, बताओ। Liabilities. बताओ। Liabilities are which account? Liabilities are real, nominal or personal? बताओ। Liabilities are real, nominal or personal? Everyone respond. तो liabilities are what? बताओ। Everyone respond. So you are saying nominal, 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 100% wrong. Means till now whatever you have done that is wrong. आप समझे? नॉमिनल अकाउंट नहीं है, सब गलत, सब गलत, सब गलत, सब गलत है। हाँ, those who are saying personal account is correct. तो those who are saying nominal account means till now you have not understood. Please, मुझे पता है कि आप क्या पढ़ के आए हो. Understood? तो you don't know many points. Many students in class 11, 12 do rectification, and even though you are scoring 90 plus, that is not because of concept. That is because of rectification. Correct? And if in CA foundation or in CA you will follow that, then the passing percentage will not reach. Correct? Understood? Our target is 90 plus, 90 plus in accounts. Correct? Understood? So have patience, have patience. Liabilities are always, likho, always personal account. Always personal account. All liabilities are personal account. All liabilities are personal account. It can be natural person, it can be artificial person, it can be what? It can be what? बताओ, representative person, depending upon which type of account we have opened. So liabilities are always personal account. Correct? And recorded, recorded in liability side of balance sheet. Correct? Understood this point? बताओ. Point number 4. बताओ. Assets are what? Assets are what? Real, personal, or nominal? Real, personal, or nominal? Assets are real, personal, and nominal. बोलो. Everyone respond real, personal, and nominal. So everyone once again wrong, means you are not listening me carefully. Those who are saying real account 100% wrong. Correct. Only two answer I got correct, real and personal. Please listen carefully. आप इतना हड़बड़ाओ मत. This is CA exam, not an exam of class and 11 and 12. Professional exam है. Correct. After writing CA exam, you will become a professional. इससे आपका bread and butter मिल चालू होगा. करेक्ट ना. This CA course you are doing for earning money. You need to become expert in that. What I said, check करेंगे. Real account are all asset other than personal account, means asset can be personal account also. For example, bank, you only said bank is an asset but personal account. So can you say assets are real account or personal account? Correct. Or personal account and recorded, correct, and recorded in asset side of balance sheet. Asset side of balance sheet. Understood this much? Correct. Means can I say statement of PL? SOPL means what? Statement of PL is a statement of बताओ which type of account? Is a statement of nominal account? Nominal account. Correct. Understood. And can I say balance sheet is a statement of but of which account? Balance sheet is a statement of which account? Everyone fill the blank. Balance sheet is a statement of which account? Everyone. Balance sheet is a statement of which account? Correct. Real and real and personal account. Real and personal account. Correct.